Hi, Deirdre Lane here with Earth Clinic. I hope you've seen the other videos in our Borax series. Borax is an amazing natural remedy for many health problems because it can supply a necessary mineral, boron, to the body. Today I'm going to describe some side effects to watch out for when using borax as a home remedy. If you've taken borax and think you're having side effects, I will also give you some ideas for dealing with those side effects. But first, the list of side effects. They can include burning skin, nerve pain, diarrhea, itchy skin, rapid heart rate, sweating, nausea, cramping, kidney pain, headache, anxiety, depression, and worsening of PMS symptoms. You're probably wondering what is causing you to have side effects. Well, here are some possibilities. Your body may be detoxing. The boron in the borax can remove excess fluoride, kill fungi and parasites. These things could make you feel quite unwell for a time. You may have taken more borax than is optimum for your body. Borax may not be the best solution for your situation. You may not have taken in enough water to flush out toxins. You may be having symptoms from something other than borax. Boron supplementation has been shown to increase the levels of estrogen, specifically estradiol, and testosterone in the body. While this is often helpful in women, it may cause symptoms of estrogen dominance, especially if magnesium levels are low. Finally, anyone can be allergic to almost anything, so if hives appear, tightening of the throat, or trouble swallowing, seek medical attention immediately. 4 things you can do to prevent side effects from borax are: use a smaller dose. Be sure you dilute borax in plenty of water. Take your borax solution with food. Take a magnesium supplement as well. If you're experiencing side effects, you can try one of the following. Activated charcoal tablets to neutralize poisons released by the borax. This is especially helpful if you're experiencing diarrhea. Drink extra water to help flush out whatever is bothering you. Take a warm bath with Epsom salts to increase your magnesium and help with your detox symptoms. Even if the symptoms you're experiencing are not from borax, activated charcoal, Epsom salts bath, and extra water can help with all sorts of uncomfortable symptoms. If you're concerned about using borax because of possible side effects or because you've already experienced side effects, you could use a boron or calcium fructoborate supplement instead. The good news is that typical side effects are short-lived as the elements are flushed out of the system. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Earth Clinic's YouTube channel.
Get it right.